work today. The 160 capacity block machine. We are done with the piping and the showcase, the layers. As you can see, this is going to be the suction line going to the compressor, and this is the capillary line. We closed it because of dust and pieces of sand to enter the system. You can see we are done. Capillary goes here. Capillary goes on these places. The air goes to the compressor. We are done with this work. One, two, three, 4 goes to one compressor. Why this one? 1, 2, 3, 4 goes to another compressor. We are done. So this is the work. You can see we pipe the back. Pipe the back of the wall to enable faster blocking. So what we are going to be doing tomorrow, we are going to be putting the system inside the cold room body. That's what we are going to do tomorrow. Then we'll connect the compressor, the condenser to the system. Then pending the day we are going to put gas. We are in rainy season, so we are not in a hurry this moment to do our work.